Hi, this is system drum filter, biofilter, and box for dirty water, for safe water. Work together, one system. You can see this small system. Drum filter 5 km for 1 hour. Water come here. Now I open box. You can see mesh, stainless steel, and this is gear motor, move, rotate drum. When nozzles clean, all dirty water come here inside this box. You can just do it, and you can see how dirty come here, and this mesh. And next he go to biofilter. Yes, and one time for day, one time for 2-3 days. This have dirty and need only this clean. Yeah, this customer want save water, and I make this for him. When drum filter clean water, he come here and go to inside biofilter. After biofilter, he go outside here, everything cleaner. And this is small system. Yeah, if you forget clean, this have hole and water. When full, come back to biofilter and not go outside, everything cleaner. Yeah. This have two place for after 1 year. When you want clean biofilter, you just open and all dirty water clean inside. Everything is easy. Easy to care. In this set, pump, this air pump, and of course control box. This automatical, full automatical. He clean for himself. No need to worry. Yes, okay, system ready.